What's available from Salesforce in terms of resources to help ISVs get started and build?
Oh my goodness, I think I dream Agentforce right now, Sam. There's a lot going on in the world of Agentforce, and there's a lot of resources that we've developed very quickly over the last few months to be able to help our ecosystem stand up around this product. We've been running lots of in-person workshops, like hands-on building agents in person. We're about to launch two virtual workshops coming very soon. So if you can't attend one of the in-person workshops, we're running two virtual hands-on workshops where you'll build an end-to-end agent topic and actions. The next of the in-person is in Chicago next week, and then New York in the week before Christmas on the 19th. So take a look for all of those and take a look for the virtual workshops. There's plenty of guides on Trailhead, and we've also developed a security view best practices guide for how to think about security and securing your agent. So take a look at the marketing material from Salesforce on all of that. And if you need anything, then we can send out some material after this.